Yeah. Say hi. So it's 11:23, and we're supposed to be gone already, but we're not. James is sleeping. This entire day is planned for activities for him and Karina. And I don't know. I think this day is gonna probably suck. We'll see. I'm actually threatening to leave without him because I want to go. So. What's your issue? I'm not gonna give you more food because you bit me. I'll give you some of this food. Here. No. There you go. It's good. Mama take a bite so Karina takes a bite? Okay. Alright, I guess I'm gonna go and check the computer for more free fun activities I have on my phone, but it's hard to do it from my phone to my phone for the calendar. So I'm just gonna look them up on the computer. So this way I can write them down in my calendar on the phone because it's easier than the paper one that I was going to use, because now I can check my phone, be like, oh, I have this scheduled event to go to on this day, and the phone goes off and reminds me of it, so that's pretty cool. You want this? Magnet. It's a chip clip. Chip clip. Chip clip. Yay! My beautiful baby. Cheese. Can I put it up there? Yay! Good job. Isn't that awesome? It's a magnet. Alright, so I turned on the computer. I need to get going. Look at my baby. Thankfully my house gets a flip. Yay! Balloon. Balloon. Beautiful baby. I need to clean my house anyway. It's 11:26. That's the light.